Last week, I traded my LS swapped Camaro for this 427 big block, 4-speed 69 Corvette, and in this video, I'm gonna make it look as cool as possible with a $500 budget, which means I'm probably gonna use spray paint and parts that I find off Marketplace. So if you really love Corvettes, keep watching. The birds are loud. Let's get to work. It is an entire week later, and this priceless American classic is currently soaking wet. Before I even fix the crank issue on this car, my main goal is to make sure this 427 is actually numbers matching. I'm looking at a Corvette form right now, and it appears there's a spot on the block right in front of the passenger cylinder head that is stamped with both an engine code and a VIN derivative. I'm not sure which is which I'm reading about right now, but hopefully this will tell me if it's original or not. So the last 4 digits of the VIN derivative on this engine are 0545. Right there on the engine block, Cameron.